guys, so interesting. I want to share something with you. Okay, so as you know what I do, I have a Ghana channel and I talk about the Ghana language, promoting the Ghana, the culture, the people, the food, and Greater Accra happens to be my region, yeah. So I did this video. Let's check it out. Yes, Oobakɛ, welcome. Wezo, Oobakɛ, Wezo. I can't come in Akwaba. We're Greater Accra. We are missing totally, being taken out. At least, Nyangma, Mohe, Oobakɛ, Alo, at least no Kogan, Dangbe, Nichuake. This is Accra. But yes, still, when we talk, you'll come after us. Ake won't fail no kuchon. I'll leave it to the rest of you to judge. So, this is the video that I did. And the video got featured on a blog site called yen.com. I saw there was a petition online, people petitioning the authorities, tourism, whatever, who is in charge to change that Akwaba to the Ghana Akwaba word, which is Mohe or Oobakɛ or whatever. It's became an online sensation thing, went viral and all that. But the reason why I'm doing this video, I'm vlogging actually. We are going to the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. I've been hinted, like someone has informed me that the signboard has been changed. So I'm going there to verify, but I want to carry you guys along. I'm not alone. I'm with my big brother that I did the video with, and he's here. So he will introduce himself. Just a little intro.
Hello.
And who you are.
Yeah, my name is Adam. You can call me Free Will.
Yes.
And we did the video together, and somebody hinted my brother that it's been changed. So we're actually, heading off to the place, to the venue, to see whether, it's indeed being changed or not. So let's see how it goes.
So we're going there. Carry you guys along, and he's into IT. So anything you want about IT, security, camera setting, and all that, he's the man to go for. I'll put his details in the description box. Okay. So guys, come along and let's go and see how it is. But anyway, I still love the view from his office. He's champion.
They call me Godson, let me be Godson. Still pushing cause we gon' make up. Still pushing cause we will get there. Cause we will get there. Cause we gon' make up. Still pushing cause we gon' make up. Still pushing, cause we will get there.
We are the basement. Going to pick our car, and then we'll drive to Kwame Nkrumah Museum. So let's go.
We go make 'em. We go make 'em. Hey, we go make 'em. I say, we go make 'em. We go make 'em. Hey, I'm still pushing. No. I'm still pushing. No. I'm still pushing. No. Still pushing cause we gon' make 'em. Still pushing cause we will get there. Cause we will get there. Cause we gon' make 'em. Still pushing cause we gon' make 'em. Still pushing cause we will get there.
So we're almost there. We're at it says we're just making a U-turn, and then we'll go check I hope you enjoy town. Town is very nice. You see, Accra is beautiful. Oh. Accra is one of the beautiful cities in West Africa. Charlie, and today happens to be a good day that the skies are even very colorful, very blue. Then the sun also decided to show up today. It's been a long time we saw the sun, so we are there and let's go check it out. I pray what I saw or what I was told is true.
Still pushing, 'cause we will get there. 'Cause we will get there. 'Cause we gon' make 'em.
We are there, oh, we are there. Oh. Let's see. Let's get there and then see if it is true. You can park over there. Oh, you want us to park here? Yes.
We go make 'em. We go make 'em.
Yeah. All right, so let's get out. Locked. I'm not really from there, but
Why?
okay. All right. So we're going to check, and then we are there finally. Oobakɛ. Meaning?
Ganga we mo to Oobakɛ.
Ganga we mo.
Je ko nu ba ni fa chance do ba ga kwa ba. Ganga Oobakɛ.
Show fan ebo meaning you go.
Mo fa ne gaga achim.
Gaga achim. O ma meaning jaga lo papa ni. No papa achim. But meaning Juemo, like what do you have to say about this? Because first it was Oobakɛ Wezo.
First it was your renovation. First it was your renovation.
Yes.
No me somebody do your
Okay.
Angma.
Akwaba.
Bona Ribe.
That is previously not for renovation.
Okay. Now for renovation. The book is different language, man then change language by me. I feel it.
All right, so guys, we're finally here, and we're going to verify, But before I let you see what I'm seeing, if it is true, Adam, do you have anything to say?
Yeah,
what
I think
about
it's a step in the right direction. It's been changed now, and things are working now. Things are working. And, I mean, there's more room for improvement. We are happy. I think our information was passed across, and we've had a positive feedback and a positive result. And kudos to the mayor and those who listened to us, and then change this to change it to how it's supposed to be. So we are so grateful. We are so grateful.
We are really, really grateful.
Yeah.
I don't know. Part of me is trying to say, I'm not trying to believe it is my video that made it, but Charlie, who knows? Maybe
we all did it together.
At least we are happy something like that has been done over today. So it has been changed. We have confirmed, and it's working. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
Anybody who watched the video, commented, shared, tagged the mayor, the regional minister, tourism minister, everybody. Well, thank you for doing that, and we are grateful. Keep supporting the NIAE and keep supporting myself and everybody. And I love you guys. Thank you so much. All right, okay, see you.
Still pushing, 'cause we go make